the, well, it's the R letter, okay, R. So this is a capital R and a lowercase r. But the sound this letter makes is the r sound, okay? Everybody make sure you're saying it with me at home, r. Okay, so it's a consonant sound. So let's put this sound into some words then. Okay, first one is 3-letter sound, red. R, E, D, red. R, E, D, red. The colour red is my favourite colour. Could be a sentence there. R, E, D, red. Okay, super. Okay, going on to our next one is rabbit. Okay, rabbit. R, A, B, I, T. Rabbit. R, A, B, I, T. Rabbit. The rabbit is hopping through the field. Could be a sentence. R, A, B, I, T. Rabbit. Okay, rabbit. Super. And next one is brought. Brought. Okay. B, R, O, T. Brought. B and R. Okay, kind of make the br sound. They're adjacent consonants. We need to say them quickly together. Br. Okay, br. Now we have a quadgraph. A quadgraph is when 4 letters make one sound. Okay, 4 letters making one sound. So this is the O sound. Okay, so O, U, G, and H make the O sound. Br, O, T. Brought. I brought food from home to a picnic. Maybe. Okay, brought. Super, super. So, how many letters does brought have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters. How many sounds? B, R, O, T. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sounds, 7 letters. There. Okay, so let's go through them all again together. Make sure you're saying it with me at home. R, r, red. R, E, D, red. Rabbit. R, A, B, it. Rabbit. And brought. Br, ought. Brought. Thank you much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.